Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the maths class. In the last class, we started the new chapter, that is construction of triangles, and you learned the construction of SSS triangle. Today in this class, let us know about the construction of SAS triangle. So let us solve the worksheet 2. In that first question, construct a triangle AOB given that OA equals to 5 cm, OB equals to 4.5 centimeter and angle AOB equals to 50 degree. So before construction we have to draw the rough figure. So first draw a triangle. Let us give the name of the triangle is AOB. It is given. Name of the triangle is AOB. So let us write here. Name of the triangle is AOB. Here OA is 5 centimeter. It is given. So OA is 5 centimeter. Next OB is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Next angle AOB equals to 50 degree. Angle AOB means angle O equals to 50 degree. After drawing the rough sketch, we have to go for the construction. So let us do construction. First we have to take base OB 4.5 centimeter. So let us draw the line segment OB 4.5 centimeter with the help of scale. Take OB 4.5 centimeter. Let us name it as OB 4.5 centimeter. Next we had to make an angle of 50 degree at point O. So with the help of protractor we had to make an angle. So place a protractor at point O and make an angle of 50 degree. See where this line segment and protractor line both coincides now, from there we had to start counting. So where it coincides, from right side we had to start counting. So where we get means here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we got here. So mark an point here. So take this protractor. Now draw a straight line. Draw a line from point O. Next, what they give next, OA is 5 centimeter. So take the measurement of 5 centimeter with compass. With the help of compass, let us take measure of 5 centimeter. So it is exactly 5 centimeter. So take this compass and place it at O. OA is 5 centimeter means we have to place it at O and draw an arc on this straight line. So make an arc. So now it is a arc of 5 centimeter. So name this point as A. Now join AB. So we had to join AB. So name it as, measure this angle O is 50 degree and this OA is 5 centimeter. Now AOB is a required triangle. So let us solve the next one. Second one, draw a triangle ABC in which angle A is 120 degree. AB equals to AC equals to 3 centimeter. Draw the bisector of angle A. First let us draw the rough sketch, rough diagram. So first draw a triangle. So what is given, angle A is 120 degree. So let us name this point as angle A 120 degree and this point as B and this point as C. Now AB equals to AC equals to 3 centimeter. Now AB is 3 centimeter and AC is 3 centimeter. So first we had to draw the rough sketch, then it will be easy for construction. Next let us construct. So what is, now let us do construction. Now AB is 3 centimeter. So let us draw a line segment AB 3 centimeter. Name it as AB 3 centimeter. Next at point A we had to make an angle of 120 degree. So with the help of compass we had to make the angle of 120 degree. Place the compass at point A. Take convenient radius, any radius, and draw one semicircle. Place the compass at point A and draw the semicircle. And this point of intersection where the semicircle intersect on the line segment AB, this point, mark it as X. Place the compass at X and draw an arc. And this point of intersection, name it as Y. With same radius, don't change the radius. Draw one more arc and name it as Z. This point of intersection as Z. Now this arc is 60 degree and this arc is 120 degree. So we got an angle of 120 degree. So draw a straight line. Now draw the straight line. Now we got angle A is 120 degree. Angle A is 120 degree. Name it as 120 degree. Now what? AC is 3 centimeter. With the help of compass, we have to cut an arc. Take the measure AC 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Place the compass at point A and draw an arc 3 centimeter. Name it as this point of intersection, name it as C. Now join CB. So name it as AC is 3 centimeter, right? AC is 3 centimeter. Join CB. Join CB. Now we got required triangle. We got CAB is an required triangle we got. Next, what they asked again the question, draw the bisector of angle A. So we had to draw the bisector of angle A. So take the compass at point Z. See, place the compass at point Z. Draw an arc of convenient radius. Take the radius of convenient radius, any radius you can take. With same radius, don't change the radius. Place the compass at X. Draw one more arc. Where these two arcs intersect, name it as D. This point as D. Join AD. Join AD. Now AD is the bisector of angle A. Let us solve next one.